not a work. Today the class is interesting one, e-commerce one. Most of you call knows about this topic is e-commerce is. When I taught the subject to the 20 years back to the students, I used to explain what is e-commerce is. Now the changes have come drastically, right? The transformation happened very drastically, especially in this pandemic time. Everyone is going to the e-commerce site and they're purchasing it, and now it is reaching the rural areas also. Once upon a time, it's very difficult to reach the urban areas. Not forget about urban areas. Now it reaches every corner of the countries. That's the thing is e-commerce is. So as an entrepreneur, I should know the basics of e-commerce and also here now the various skills required to emerge this particular area into my organization. You should know what exactly commerce is. People talks about electronic commerce is, but what exactly the meaning of commerce is? Commerce is division of trade or production which deals with the exchange of goods and services from producer to final consumer is. It's a trade, right? It's a trade because it's a business point of view. It's something happening between the one place to other place. Both things happens. The purchase and sales happens. It's a commerce here now. This is exchange of goods and services from producer to final consumers. Okay, the manufacturer, okay, from manufacturer to the consumer, there are exchanges are happening, right? There are exchanges are happening. Okay, once the manufacturer sells the one good, he gets back an amount, he gets it. So all these things, what you have is called, it can be considered as a commerce is. While when come to here now, e-commerce is commonly known as electronic marketing is, right? Through electronic, you're doing the some marketing, commonly known as. It consists of buying and selling goods and services over an electronic system such as the internet is. It is a common definition for a many number of years is. So buying and selling of goods and services, not only goods, services also are purchased. What is the example of service? Example of service is medical. So you're asking the doctor, okay, because especially in the pandemic time, so visiting a hospital is not advisable. So nowadays doctors are coming through online. So doctors are asking here now, they are giving appointment through online. They are coming and they are giving advice for us what type of medicines to be taken based on the problems what you are facing is health problems. So that is called one of the services. Right now I'm teaching also is also one type of service here now. Or an electronic system such as internet. E-commerce is purchasing, selling, and exchanging goods and services over computer network or internet through which transaction terms of sale are performed through electronically. Also, same time, e-business also comes into picture. What is the difference between e-commerce as well as e-businesses? We use the term e-business to refer primarily to the digital enablement of transactions and processes within a firm, okay, involving information system under the control of the firm is. Okay. Within the organization, so there is a information would be transferred. There would be here now called items would be transferred. Such type of thing can be done e-business. But e-commerce is include commercial transactions involving exchange of value across organizational boundaries. Across organizational boundaries. So e-commerce is bigger, it's very bigger than the e-businesses. So within here now two other one also. There is a types of e-commerce comes out. There you can see this is called within one organization also. This type of the transactions also happens. This is a picture. Generally, what happens in the process of e-commerce is generally we purchase the items and we will use it. But there is some what you have is called here now. There are some steps involved in the process of e-commerce. First one is called order placed by user, right? So you can see here now the order is placed by user is. This is the one. So order is placed by user. It's coming to shopping cart and you're using any of the cards. Right now is called credit card, debit card, okay, RuPay card like this. Using and we are placing the order. Now order is completed. Same time is going to a warehouse, and also the customer is as well to merchant, right? It's going to the both the people, right? And here now sent to warehouse for fulfillment, and shipping carrier picks up the shipment and reaching to the customers. So this is the way this is happening. Very regular procedure. Everyone knows about this particular except this one is order is same, order is going to that, email is coming, middle person, example Amazon, and at the same time to the warehouse. So a consumer uses web browser to connect to the home pages of merchant's website on the internet. The consumer browses the catalog of products featured on the site and select items to purchase. The selected items are placed in the electronic equipment. You know that all these things. These are the different types of e-commerce. This is the most important for us. These are different types. So we have business to okay, I'm back. So you have business to business. So business to consumer, business to government, consumer to consumer, mobile commerce, and SC business to business. It is simply defined as commerce between companies. Now, suppose you are purchasing a computer. So then Dell is the one company you have purchased it. So what Dell does is it needs a processor. So to get the processor, it purchases from Intel. So now business to business is happening. So Intel is doing business, and Dell is also doing business. That's enough. So this is business to business. Overall, 80% of e-commerce is about this type of. Only 20% is B2C, but B2B is very bigger. The volume is very higher because Dell won't purchase one or two processors. They'll purchase bulk. So not. So that is here now business to businesses. The other one is the car. So now Maruti is one of the top brand in India. So Maruti won't manufacture the tires. So they purchase the tires from MRF or CX. They won't purchase one or two. They purchase in bulk order. That is also B2B. Now B2C commerce is business to consumer. Business to consumer, e-commerce or commerce between companies and consumers involve customers gathering information, purchasing physical goods or receiving products over an electronic network. So for example, you are purchasing a laptop from Dell. So that is called B2C, business to the consumer, right? The company is doing the business to you directly. So Dell selling me a laptop. Then B2G also, business to government. Government also do some business. Business to government e-commerce or B2G is generally defined as commerce between companies and the public sector. It refers to use of internet for public procurement, licensing procedures, and other government-related operations. So, example, what you have is called business pay taxes, file reports, or sell goods and services to government agencies, right? Government purchases some of the items from the companies also, right? Business to a government is. If business person do some business to the government e-commerce is. So here now call government needs to call some items from the companies and some licensing procedures point of view, right? So that's also they'll file it, right? They'll keep it on the internet and somebody will file it. Okay, all these things B2B commerce. Next is C2C, consumer to consumer. So what you have consumer to consumer e-commerce is commerce between private individuals or consumers. Example is nothing but a call eBay, right? iPod from Tom. Mary buying an iPod from Tom on eBay. Me selling a car to my neighbor, right? So, so this is a thing what I call second-hand items. You want to sell second-hand items, whatever you want to make, you have kept it there. Next, what you have is called Quicker is one of the example where you can purchase, you can sell the items also very faster. The next is e-commerce. So mobile commerce is buying and selling a good service through wireless technology. Example is cell phones, mobile ticketing, information services, mobile banking. All these things are examples of m-commerce. Now, what are the advantages of using e-commerce? Now we came to know about what is e-commerce is, what are the various types of e-commerces, all these things you have seen. There are advantages, as you know, better than me actually. You can see that one. Very limitations, very less. Disadvantages of e-commerce are very less. Unable to examine products personally is one of the biggest limitations. You cannot see that one. You cannot touch that any product is. Not everyone is connected to internet. Almost here now called 40 to 50% of India are connected to internet. Still many people have not been connected to internet. There is possibility of credit card number theft. Hackers are there. You should be very careful regarding these ones. Mechanical failures can cause unpredictable effects on the total processes. Right? Sometimes here now middle some problem has come. So now we go to the next one where we have the biggest thing comes into picture is. So how many are in the class? 8 numbers are in the class. Just wait. Next presentation will start. This will be interesting one. The 7 pillars of e-commerce are. Okay, let's wait. Let me. Okay. This is 7 pillars of e-commerce. Look at that. It's called one of the things. What do you have? Johnny Wanamaker is one of the business magnate in the beginning of 1900s, right? So 20th century. What did he said is called here is, I know half the money I spent on advertising is wasted. What are the money I have spent it for the advertising is wasted? Half of the money. But I never know. I can never find out which half. The first half or second half, I never know that. So what you have is called here now is what is the thing is called here now? How much you are supposed to spend for advertisement is called. He's talking about this. We need to spend as much as possible for advertisement. Then only it is possible we can be in the market is. So how do you use all these things is called? Because shopping habits have changed pre-internet and post-internet. Pre-internet, what do you have is called? Discussion with partner, John Lewis, come, discussion with partner, decision, John Lewis, and purchase. It's a long discussion. So you used to discuss with your friends, what are like, I would like to purchase this item. Can you suggest it? So you're discussing with your 2 or 3 friends and you're coming to conclusion, oh, this item is better. Nowadays, are you discussing with like your friends, what are the items you're going to purchase? No, you're not purchasing. So what are you doing here now? You're looking at reviews. You're looking called the best mobile to be purchased. Google, you're asking. Now, Google responds. And you come to conclusion, oh, this is the item to be purchased. So these are all happening because of internet is. Shopping habits have changed a lot with internet. Is without internet, people used to talk themselves. Okay, among themselves to finally to come to a conclusion. Now it's changed. So AOL, American Online, Google, John Lewis Online. Starting, it's talking starting with John Lewis also. John Lewis is again brand the company, of course. Discussion with partner, Google. Cheap washing websites, what do you have is asking. What are cheap washing machines? Cheap washing machines he wants to purchase. And pop-ups, discussion with partner. Okay. And discussed and asked on Google, is coming to conclusion. And this is the way happen. Offline is John Lewis shop going, comment, decision, purchase. But in online, not this way. This is the way happening is. Online, this is the way. Offline is like this. Okay. This is on. This is off. The first one, the 7 pillars are more important for the e-commerce. Whether it be any e-commerce, B2B, B2C, B2G, or mobile commerce, or C2C, any type of e-commerce you do, the most important thing is required is 7 pillars are there. The first one is called conversion rate. This is a very important one because as an entrepreneur, you should know all these things. The percentage of people that visit your website and actually buy something. This is most. How many people visited your website and how many have converted their idea of purchasing into the actual one, into the order? This is most important. People visit the websites in e-commerce website. Here, e-commerce website means e-commerce because they want to purchase, right? They don't waste the time by coming and just looking and leave. No, they don't waste the time like that. Whenever they come, so they want to purchase, or they have an idea to purchase in future. There is some money is coming to me, so they first coming. So I'm going to get this much of salary. Let me purchase some item which is required in my home. So I have an idea. So based on my idea, I started browsing. I look at the various websites, and it's not compulsory I need to purchase immediately. I'll purchase it later on. For that purpose, I'm doing some survey, some research work I'm doing. Which one to be purchased, what is the cost of the item, right? How much Amazon is taking, Paytm is taking how much this is called eBay is taking, how much Flipkart is charging, what is here now called the reviews, all these things. To get an idea, I started working on that. This is percentage of people that visit your website and actually buy something, right? So now it's a possible nowadays using the coding. It is possible whoever customer visited, what is the item they have seen, how much time they spent it is all possible through the backend. Backend coding, it is possible. You can track it. It is possible. Of course, if your app is on, example, your app is on, for example, YouTube is on, and you're talking about is called something about mobile phone. Next time, if you go to the YouTube, it shows you mobile phone related video source. It shows immediately to you because everything is catching, everything is recording is happening inside. Everything recording is happening without your knowledge is right. You should see call everything is be careful about that is called. Just observe the things are. You switch on your YouTube, okay? You just talk something about mobile phone, and again called refresh your YouTube, and mobile phone related videos comes to you. That is a way called recording is happening secretly. This is illegal, of course. YouTube says it's illegal for you, but YouTube says you have accepted the permission. You have agreed that agreement. Then only app has come to you on the mobile. This is the way happening here now. Like Amazon also does that one is right. So overall thing is called the competition among these companies. Amazon versus Flipkart versus Google. We see Indian companies are not playing very crucial role. Now these two companies, Amazon versus Google, is doing a lot of the things are because they are dependent. Amazon, what Google is doing, that everybody dependent on me. Amazon, you want data from the customer, you just dependent on me. Then I show you because the customer is using my browser, the Chrome is using. So this is the way the market is like that, right? So you should be very careful about all these things are. Now, conversion rate is conversion rate, number of transactions happen by unique visitors into 100. Everything you should know unique visitors. Most important thing is called. How many visitors, unique visitors are there? In your organization is. How many unique visitors are there is very important one. How many transactions happen? So for example, 200 transactions happen. By unique visitors are 20. 200 by 20 into 100 is equal to how much percentage? 200 by unique visitors are 20. So 20 is there. So 200% is there, right? Conversion rate is 200%. So targeted as well as qualified traffic is, right? Higher conversion is important one. So 200 by 20 is an arithmetical 200 is 20 and 10. 10 into 100 is 100, right? Unique, yes, it comes like this. 200% has come. So measure conversion rate, what you have is called. Google Analytics is free. It's very useful one. Google Analytics is. How much here now call your website is coming. How many users are coming? How many of them living? All these things is possible for use. Direct traffic, search engines, okay, ratifying one, okay, is possible for you. It's very important one. Using Google Analytics, it is possible. You can see your things are usability. Yes, wait, sorry, sorry. For that, 1 minute. Okay, over. Sorry for this. So usability is the first one. First one already said, na? So what is called calculate. The second one is what you have usability. Simple and instinctive usage. People are cognitive measures. Design pages for scanning, not for reading. Talk in the same language as your users. Prioritize the key information above the fold. Trust and credibility needed to be reinforced. What is this? All these things. Look at the example you can understand here. What is this one is called home page. The first most important thing is called most valued property on a website is the first and foremost important for any website is home page. Make it obvious what you do if you sell. Use it to spell out the big picture. Prominent internal search. seasonal campaign activity, resolution, deep link into the core areas over the fold. What do you have required for a home page is what is the most important thing you would like to, important property do you have that should be shown in your website. Make it obvious that you do or if you sell, right? Make it obvious that you're selling the item. Okay, that's most important. So what are the item is there showing in big picture, right? And you should have an internal search is required. A search button is required. Okay, a text box is required to do searching, right? What are the things are required is called a resolution photos you should use is called 1024 by into 768. We have the whatever you have monitors are with width of the anything is more, height is very less. That's why called mobile also will do the flip the mobile to see the height. Okay, the horizontal one, the less vertical. But initially vertical would be higher, the length would be higher in mobile phone and the width will be lesser. So that's why we used to call what do you call it? We'll do this. Flip the phone. Flip the phone means called here now. Rotate the phone. Okay. So that you can see that one is called. So even in movies also you can see called vertically. You are now called less. Width is higher, which is very higher than the length is. You should have same thing also here now, right? Because your head can move left to right very easily. Top to bottom is difficult for you. So left to right, we move our head very easily. That's why called width, we must have more. So your photographs must have width more than the length. So this is an example of Matthew Williamson homepage. This is just a fashion point of view. Fashion is not a negative word, it's a positive word. Remember that is fashion week point of view. Look at that picture, how much, what do you have is called, right? When you see this particular homepage, our eyes goes to the girl, right? Immediately goes. Then after that, we'll see the, what do you have, the text is there. So we have a habit of is called images are placed very crucial. So image, what you use is more important here. Look at the image, how much here now called, they have taken care of. And shadow also have been seen. You can see a shadow also here. So that much of taken care of this particular home pages. And that's why you can see some other accessories, all these things, you can see that one. High impact current images, clear navigation, deep link into site, right? And search is there. A search is also have been given. Product details page. Focus on one button, buy now. The more images, the better. Detail on demand. Zoom is essential. Cross-sell, upsell, show delivery and available information, share capabilities. In this, all these things, zoom is the most important. You can zoom it plus 10, plus 5, plus 20. Zooming of the particular image is also very important. Why? Because of the limitations we have discussed, it is not possible to get the feeling of the product is. You cannot touch that any item through e-commerce when you're purchasing it. So to overcome such type of the problem, you can use the zoom is one essential component, okay, essential feature to be included in your website so that people can see that one. Other feature also we have called 360 degrees. Okay, rotation is also one feature available. There you can rotate your picture to see the back side, front side, like hey, all these things are possible. 360 degrees are possible. Example of good product detail page, Netscape portal is one example. You can see this one on an example. The third one is called checkout. Your customer is waiting at the till with their credit card ready. So what could possibly go wrong? This is the most important thing is called. So sites lose over 50% of their customers at the checkout, right? So you should be very careful when your coding is writing. So checkout time, you should be very careful. Just people here now comes window shopping. I don't want to register. Why do I register? Just I want to buy this item and get on with my life. Too many clicks. Every click is a friction node where you lose the visitors. I don't feel safe using my credit card. There are all things we have. You lose the customer because this is the problem. The first and foremost, window shopping is the first one. The second one is called, we are asking to register yourself. You are giving so much a bigger form and asking to register. Why should I register? So they'll close it. Okay. You're asking so many clicks are there. Next. So many next clicks are there. People won't fill it. Right. So we are losing customers. So credit card here you are using, how much you are now called secure, how much you are going giving the security. For example, what you have is called a security layer should be there. HTTPS should be there. If the HTTP is there, that means it's not a safer. So server security layer. So that you should get the license of the server security layer also on your website. This is one example of checkout is called existing customer login with this one. That's why called nowadays we have called register yourself. So use the Google Mail, Gmail account and you will register. It's a simple click account. No need to fill up everything. So these people are talking to the Google and the Google gives the name and the details and comes automatically. That's the advantage. So you should have like this way. You need to talk to the API have been provided by Google and just using API, application programming interface, one of the code. Using that code, it is possible you can connect to the Google and get the details, and that's easy. Register yourself is not required to fill up everything is called. This is the things you can see this one. The fourth one is engage your audience as much as possible. People don't buy first time. Will they remember to come back? What makes your site so special? Make it fun, but have a fun this. How do you engage the customers for so much of time is called? So what happens is called this is the one most convenient site. Example, you make such a thing is called most convenient. First of all, is called. People whenever come here now they come for you should have in mind because they must come second time, third time. It should be there, right? So always they should feel this kind of fun. It's a fun of doing the purchasing item is called. Example, look at that is called. Everything is called. Look at the symbols. What you have is called. So in this one, capturing the thrilling irregularity of a loud up human heart, and it dances to a beat all its own, right? So this is one on the side. This is the one human heart shape is there and dances. That one is called. Some such type of peculiarity is there in this one is. So all the 4 places you can purchase items. So my charm bracelet designer is called. You can design the bracelet on your convenience. You can design it, the bracelets. Good commercially focused engagement matches fashion shop the catwalk features. This is one of the fashion point of view, catwalk point of view on site. So one example they have shown and they are giving the so related the website garments fully engaged. So like this one is called sale, post is the one, shop online is something special. So for something special is the word, is a capturing one. It captures it. Okay, that is called some innovative, very nice site that actually. The fifth one is called search. Over 60% use search engines, natural search, pay per click, Google, Yahoo, Bing, achieved through search engine optimization, right? So this is one other thing is called. This is what do you have called? I would like to get my site to the top one. That is possible through the search engine optimization. So how search engine optimization can work faster one is called. To get top ranking in natural results, site building using SEO friendly CMS, right? Content management system, CMS is good content. External links, buying link doesn't work here now called. So what you want to get is called top ranking. If you want to get, use this SEO options as much as possible in your building of websites. So regarding this SEO as well as how to use it, it comes for you digital marketing. It's a part of digital marketing point of this one comes, and it's possible for you to know through subject of web programming. Okay, next semester might be you may have the subject of web programming. There it is possible to understand some basics are there about SEO is. A good content is always important one. There's a number of clicks on a website, it automatically it's possible. It won't one day it won't come. It's a continuation process, then only it is possible to get the top ranking is. Search facts is 60% plus search pages now 3 plus words, 90% plus 2 words. Being top of the organic and paid improves. So CTR, brand awareness, recall, purchase intent, conversion. All these things are very important for such practice. 3 words can be used. Suppose people use 2 words. So best engineering college, 3 words, best engineering college. So best engineering college in Hyderabad, right? So there are 4 words used. Hyderabad colleges, okay? Hyderabad best engineering college. So MCA colleges in Telangana state, right? MCA colleges, they won't use in also. MCA colleges, Telangana state. Okay, MCA, for example, Hyderabad MCA colleges. So these are some of the search words used. So use this word should be there as part of your web page. Then only it is possible. There you can, if you use called meta is one of the tag. There you have to mention all these keywords. Keywords should be mentioned. Using keywords, it comes automatically. Okay. The sixth one is email. Retention is called. Customer is for life, right? Always. Customer is life. Without customer, there is no use of all these things. So customer understanding, effective creativity, increase interactivity, as well as useful data. Interaction is more important, not just for Christmas. This is an example of this one. So only for Christmas you're interacting, other times you're not interacting, meaningless. So in this, what do you have is called? So wishes on birthdays, wishes on the anniversaries, as well as seasonal festivals we have, wishes. These are all emails, sending emails to the customer. This is called customer retention is called. Only by here now call when the customer purchase and paying thanks is not sufficient. So you should have call as much as possible, should have call interaction with the customers. Whenever items are, yes, suppose there is some discount have been given. So tell the discount, the discount is there, right? It's a discount we are giving to the customer. So this is a way called you can interact with the customers. The next one is marketing, email marketing. Digital customers are like gold dust, right? Registered customer registered, then they are very much interested in your product piece. So that you need to have highest spenders, highest converters, because we have seen converters point of view. So cost per acquisition. So look after them is called. They're all email marketing point of view. You can have all these things. Email stats is returning customers spend up to 30% more, cost you up to 70% less. This is a very interesting one. More is called customer coming back to you. They spend more, 30% more they purchase. Automatically cost you. What happens is once you're maintaining such type of the retention, the cost here now comes down. The maintenance will come down drastically for you. Email open rates is 20 to 30% is there. Click through is 35% and cold list, okay, 5%, because cold list is called yes or no sometimes. So overall is cut 25%. We have advantage for you. So low handling fruit. Most it is not doing the basics. 50% happy to use your email address. URL behind the till at check-in on the readout on the display is less. Most details don't do the such a basics, they won't do it. So sometimes 50% people are happy with the giving email addresses. So not everyone gives email addresses. So email quick fire tactics is decrease shopping, cart abandon rates. Okay, own the customer auto email, all these things. The seventh one is called social. Social media has become ubiquitous. So 184 million bloggers are there. 73% of active online users have read a blog. 40% have started their own blogs. 57% have joined social network. 58% have uploaded photos. 83% watch video clips, and 13% subscribe to RSS feed. Okay, these are all these things, statistics about social media use. What happens is called, right? How much is there? How do you market that is called? People listen to their piece. On-site reviews increase conversions. So harness the power is Wikipedia is one thing. Social networking, MySpace and Facebook. Presence apps is Twitter. Video sharing is YouTube. Virtual reality is Second Life. Engagement is called blogging. All these things are some of the examples of this social media use. Twitter is one of the biggest one is Twitter. People, whatever you want to tell about your thing is possible through Twitter, right? A good Facebook pages. This is one of the good Facebook page. You can see here. Upload image, be a bag application, naturally viral, commercially valued. So integrated blog Diksha. So blog, as people are writing, na? Most of the people, it's the blog of RGV, is a very famous one. Na? So people see his blog, what he says about the world, what he says about somebody, like that. The eighth one is called bonus. The number of search on Google Form, iPhone surpassed the those from all other phones at Christmas. German iPhone users consume 30 times more data. 95% of iPhone customers regularly surf the internet. Google sees 50 times the number of searches using iPhone than any other mobile device. Because that thing is called iPhone, how much impact is there, right? So especially in the Christmas time, people surf the internet more. German uses iPhone 30 times more. 95% of iPhone customers regularly surf the internet. The new net app, Net Portal on the go, one website is talking about. Okay, Viasis. Okay. In summary, what you have is called measure and tracking every time. Usability is the key to success. Perfectly checkout or lose. Okay, engage with your customers. Search is the key. Get your site ranking. Email can never be. Email can be very powerful. Use social to connect with customers. Keep an eye on emerging technology. All these things are important. Please all of you note down these 8 points have been said. These all the 8 points, please note it down so that it's useful for you to know that all these things. Using these 8 points, we can expand and their explanation can be expanded. Okay, have you written all of you? So 10 members in the class. So 6, 5, and Sandeep, you are in the class. Sandeep. So simple topic today is about especially
సార్ నేను ఉన్నాను సార్.
వెరీ గుడ్ వెరీ గుడ్. మొన్న ఏదో చెప్దాం అనుకున్నావు, తెలుగులో చెప్తాను సార్ నేను అన్నావు కదా, ఇది చెప్పు ఒకసారి చూద్దాం ఏం చెప్తాం అనుకున్నాం, చెప్పు అందరూ వింటాం. నీకు చెప్తే నీకు కూడా పార్టిసిపేట్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఇప్పిస్తాం. ఏం చెప్దాం అనుకున్నావు, తీసుకున్నావు ఒకసారి తీసుకు రెడీ చేయి, చెప్పు.
సార్ రేపు మార్నింగ్ క్లాస్ లో చెప్తాను సార్ ప్లీజ్.
అవునా, ఓకే. ఓకే